What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. We got week 7 and week 8 review. Also the Kid Cudi. I think Kid Cudi is week 8 if I'm not mistaken. If not, I'll come back and do week 8. So we're just gonna review what had dropped last week and the Kid Cudi drop. So with that being said, let's get into it. All right, so starting with week 7, this was a really dope week that they had dropped on, and they dropped a banger. I'm gonna start off with the heavy hitter, like my favorite piece. So with that being said, we're gonna start off with this work jacket with the dog on it. This shit is so hard. You can't go wrong with the black colorway or the white colorway. On the back, we have like the dog just sitting there on this cream jacket, like this very light cream jacket with the red text above it. And we got the gift for futuristic teenager script at the bottom. I like this design a lot. I like it on the work jacket a lot. But that black though, it pops even more on that black, but either way, you can't go wrong with it. I really like this jacket, but I decided to pass on it because you know what's going on with the shipping. They went back with EMS. EMS shipping is very expensive now, so you're basically paying the same price probably that you paid for the jacket for shipping. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wait and see if I can find it on like another retailer site that Human Made works with. I'm just wait till like Billionaires Boys Club, ice cream website, N website, what else? There's a lot of other websites that you can buy Human Made from. But anyway, this is one of my favorite pieces this whole from week 7. I hope I can find this jacket somewhere for a really good price. Next, we got this knit jacket. It looked like a blazer. It has a green H on the front with the Human Made text on the inside of it. Nothing too crazy about this. Just something I probably wouldn't wear, but for those that like this kind of stuff, they have this for you. So next we have a Human Made hoodie with the Storm Cowboy on it. We got this in 2 colorways. We got it in gray, also in this like beige or khaki colorway you want to call it. So we got the Storm Cowboy on both, and I like this a lot, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, it's screen printed on. I thought it like stitched in, but it's screen printed on. I really like this a lot, and on the back, we got Human Made text on the back in brown, also in this like dark navy blue. Next, we have this spring coat. I like this spring coat a lot, but they got 2 colorways of this. They got like I guess it's like a navy or a black. And they also had like this khaki colorway as well. If I decide to pick from the 2, I would probably pick the khaki because that brown contrast. I like that brown contrast on that khaki a lot. So that's why I would pick the khaki colorway over that black. Also on the back of it, we have like some prints on it. We got 2 duck prints. We got 1 duck flying and the other one, we got a duck head inside the heart. Also the Storm Cowboy with the Human Made initials inside of it. And again, I like it more on that khaki colorway more than anything on here. Also, this is embroidered, Human Made embroidered on the collar, which I like a lot. Also, Gifts for Futuristic Teenagers also is embroidered on the bottom left pocket of that jacket. Next, we have a chino BD shirt. I didn't get this, it's a long sleeve button up. We got it like in this, I guess you could say, somewhat off-white bone colorway, or you just say white, Human Made heart on it. It's stitched in, we got it in white, brown, like a navy blue, forest green. Yeah, that's it. And we have a Boy Scout shirt. I used to be a Cub Scout. I think this is a sign for the Cub Scouts. But we had this Boy Scout shirt. It has Gears for Futuristic Teenagers on the bottom right. We got a heart propaganda patch on the top right. Also, we had a Human Made like lettering stitched in on the left side as well. And on the back of it, and we had this in a black colorway or navy, I can't really tell. Yeah, we have it in these 2 colorways. Also, we had the same print from that spring coat on this as well. So that's why I prefer that khaki, just that brown just contrasts best off that khaki. Next, we got a gray and khaki colorway with this cardigan. I used to wear a lot of cardigans back in college. My style changes a lot, but I really do like this cardigan. On this cardigan, the buttons are hearts, which I like that little small detail. The details goes a long way. Also, we got the dog on the bottom left above the pockets. I like that a lot. I like that hit. And also we got the same design from that work jacket on this. And I would prefer the khaki colorway over that gray because it just helps the contrast a little bit more so you can see it better when you're wearing it. I just like the look. I just like the contrast. So yeah, you can't go wrong with this. Next, we got the Beatles sweatshirt. Not too much of a fan of the Beatles. I'm not a Beatles guy, but Nigo's a huge fan of the Beatles, so he normally drop these like probably every other season you probably would see this. So yeah, it just says the Beatles, human made, got all the members with their autographs on it. Next, we had a human made like animal lineup on the long sleeve tees. If I would prefer to pick one of the four, it would probably be the polar bear. Cause again, it'd probably be the polar bear and the duck. So those would be my top two that I would pick out of the lineup. I just don't like, I don't know. Those are the only two that I really like. Next, we got some cargo pants. We got it in black. Also, we have it in military green. If I was decided to get some pants, it'd probably be like a military green. I got plenty of like black pants upstairs. I need to switch up my variety of colors of pants. But I do like these cargo pants. Next, we have some boxers. We got it in dark gray, light gray, navy blue. I wonder if these come in a pack, because I need to go check and see if these come in a pack or not. If they do, I may end up copping these for the personal. Yeah, there ain't really much to say about these, but it just says human made. Also, we had a sweat mill cap, which Nigo wear this a lot. I'm not a fan of these caps because I just feel like it wouldn't look right on me. So I just go ahead and just pass those off to the side and stick to what I normally wear. But I don't mind trying like switching it up. But I just feel like this wouldn't look right on me. So we had this in like a navy blue, also in light gray, like a light heather gray. Yeah, I like these hats a lot. I like them, but it just wouldn't look right on me probably. So last but not least, we had the Kid Cudi members of the Rage. There was a design that he came out with before and they bringing it back out again, him and Nigo. I like this design a lot. Took an L on it because I thought it was gonna drop tonight, which is Friday, but it dropped Thursday night. So it kind of threw me off. So I was like, when is it dropping? And I just seen somebody post on Instagram, oh, the Kid Cudi drop happening. I'm like, oh shit, so it was Thursday night, not Friday night, so they kind of threw me off. So I may have to come back and shoot for Friday night, which is tonight, because they may drop something today. So yeah, I may have a follow-up to this. And we are not done, we are back. They did drop a week 8, so we're gonna get right into week 8. I ain't gonna hold y'all for long, but they did drop some dope shit, and I missed out on something that I really, really liked that I seen in this, so let's get into it. So first, we got some more outerwear pieces, which I like a lot. Oh yeah, notice I got the bucket hat on, yeah. We got this dope ass mountain Parka jacket. We got the polar bear in the back with the fish in the mouth. I really, 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 really like this. Also, this Parka looks a little bit cropped, like it's like a little bit shorter than length, which I like a lot. And on the front side, we got human made on the left chest. Yeah, just printed on. I like this a lot. On the draw screens, we got the human made heart with the human made text and draws within a little heart, like little clasper thing to adjust drawstring. Also on the lining where the pockets are, where the Velcro is, it says human made on the Velcro. I like this a lot. This is like another good dope piece that they dropped this season. Hopefully I can find it from another retailer that sells human made and I copy from them. Next, we got a utility jacket and it's military green, which is really cool, which is really dope. We got human made on the top left pocket with drawals, and on the pocket we got the human made heart. What else? On the back side, this is sick. This is really sick. I like this. It says human made across the back. Is that like a big ass pocket or something? It's like a flap, like a back pocket on the back. But anyway, this says that. I think that's like also we have like you could take the hood on and off, it seems like. Yeah, this is like military now. I like this a lot. I like this jacket. Also, we still do have the polar bear with the fish in the mouth on the sleeve. I like that a lot. Oh yeah, it is okay, so this is like a pocket where you put your raincoat in. That is sick. I like that. I really like, it's just like the small things like that to show like this, like your jacket could actually be like utility. You actually using your clothing to store stuff, but at the same time, it's giving like a new look to your fit. So I really like that a lot, what they did with this jacket. That is hard. Next, we got a crew neck sweater with the ducks. We got 2 duck heads on the front, a green and a brown. Nothing on the back, and that's about it. Dope, but I'll pass on this. And again, we got the polar bear on the sweatshirt, a baby blue sweatshirt. Same design. On the back, it says gears for futuristic teenagers on the back. We have a Henling neck long tee. Just like it's like a quarter button up. So that's that. Nothing too crazy. We got it like in this cream. We got it in this dark green. Yeah, we just having these 2 colorways. And the buttons on it are hearts, which is pretty cool. We got some more pants. We got some military pants. We got it in black, and also we have it in khaki. I would prefer the other one that they had dropped from the previous week. So I'll pick the previous ones that they drop over these if I had a chance to cop. But this right here, these hats, fire, 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 fire. I'm mad that the green was sold out because this color green, like this specific color green, like around this is like one of my favorite greens with that white on it. I don't know what it is, but them two colors together, them complementary colors, just my favorites. I wanted to get this green, it's sold out. They got the brown. I may have to go and I'm gonna check and see if the brown was still in stock, and I'm gonna cop that one. But I'm gonna get that green hat somehow, some way. I'm gonna make sure I get this green hat because I like it a lot. Green is one of my favorite colors. Yeah, I just like it. It's got that earthy, you got that earth tone, got that fall color to it. Next, we got some carabiners. We got it in silver, black, and military green. I just bought a carabiner, the black one. So we got those three colorways if y'all decided to cop a carabiner. Next, we have the paper mache duck. I got two right here behind me. I still got two of them. I want to get it. I hope this kind of sit for a bit. I hope this sits so I can get it later, but I doubt it do, because I want to add on to the one that I already have behind me. I wish they would have pushed this a little bit further in the season, because I'm just trying to save up some money for some things I'm trying to do. Next, we have Saki Storm Cowboy. This is another drop that they have with the Saki with Pharrel and Nigo. I never had Saki before, so let me know how it tastes. I'm really curious on how Saki tastes, because I'm so used to American like alcohol. So let me know how Saki tastes. I think it made out of rice or something, like fermented rice. I may be completely wrong on that, but that is it. And again, I think week 8 and week 7 was some solid weeks. You couldn't go wrong whatever you had picked from those weeks. But with that being said, like, comment, subscribe down below. Catch y'all next video. I'm out. Peace.